When's your last pedicure?
Never.
Why are you bleeding everywhere, dude?
I'm a Florida boy. Hey!
Hey guys, look, we got a lot going on today. We got a whole farm to clean up. We got concrete to pour. We got fish to feed. I got some helpers here. We got a crew. And then we got others. Just stick around.
What's happening?
Bro, that's your dad. Get off of him. If Anthony tried to do that to me, I would smack. Just like
Piggyback ride.
That's what it is, huh? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is, you see this pole right here?
Yes.
It's falling out. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take all the tarps down, and then we're gonna have to pull the pole. We're gonna put concrete in here. We're gonna straighten it out, put the tarps out. Then we're all gonna walk around and clean this, because look at, we got roofs falling over, and there was 2 hurricanes within the last month. So we got a lot of cleaning up to do. That's why I got the whole crew here. Got the click with us today.
Click, click, click. As I look around, they don't do it like my click.
So this is what we're gonna be working on first, boys.
Yeah.
I want
Wait.
stuff cleaned up. I want stuff put back to normal. I want to make this look nice so we don't have to mess with it. All right, and then check for any pieces of wood that are falling off or rocks that need to get moved. And let's fix it up. And I'm gonna go get the scissors now. So you guys see the importance with keeping the gate locked? I think it might have been me, honestly, who left it open, but I just wanted to give you guys experience wrangling pigs. So I got scissors. These are my special expensive ones that the kids are not allowed to use. I hide them in my underwear drawer. I don't know. It looks like a shovel. We found it. Paul left it. Look. It's what is it called? It's a shovel. Look. It's just an oval. I got an oval. It'll work. How big of a hole do you think we want to go?
Big hole.
How Florida are you that you're in here doing this without shoes? Like, I watched you go like this with no shoes on. Like, how are your feet when you're born here? Are they automatically like stronger than most people's? When's your last pedicure?
Never. No.
That's a good video.
Yes.
A 2 Florida boy pedicure.
No.
A day at the spa.
No.
You need a pedicure.
Why?
You gotta take care of your feet. So we got a hole dug, and we got the pole getting ready to be reinserted. What you gotta do with the concrete is you open a bag of it. It's a 50-pound bag of just regular concrete, right? So you take about half the bag, and you put it in a bucket, and don't breathe it in. Once you got this in here, you just add water. You guys said do half and half. You guys told me what to do.
Oh, you think we're the pros?
Yeah, but
You think I'm the bro? I don't know. I'm a city boy. I bought Paul Cuffaro's farm, and he said, here, take care of the farm. I don't know about ovals and concretes and buckets and pigs, and I don't know. I just want to have fun and like throw eggs at people. The 2 Florida boys are here, and they're the ones that are going to teach me how to like be a man.
Okay, time to go. How would you guys clean?
but you need to compact
How would
it.
you guys clean?
Compact it.
Even step on it. Oh, there you go.
All right, so we got it all setting. We're gonna give that about 30 minutes, then we're gonna put the tarps up. So now, because we're all wet, I need the 2 Florida boys to do some pond diving because we got some lights that need to get cleaned. And I'm gonna give you guys a butter knife each. Anthony, go get 2 butter knives.
I can use my tongue. Can I join the boat?
What the heck?
This guy.
So I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, you guys, viewers, come with me. I'll show you what we're talking about.
Brandon.
There's 3 lights on it. This fountain gets like gook on it from whatever the heck, birds, ducks, whatever. So you have to go there with a butter knife and scrape the gook off so the lights work. I have a boat here that you guys can go out in if you want to go out to the middle and it's like easy.
We don't need a boat.
You don't need a boat? What are you gonna do? You forgot your butter knife.
It's way too cold. Oh, I'm actually going in.
Hey, you need that. And you need this one.
Blew a knife in it.
So I could have turned it off for them to do that, but I mean, this is way more fun.
Like that?
Yeah, let's do that exact same thing to the next pond now.
I don't like this water.
Why are you bleeding everywhere, dude?
I'm a Florida boy.
All right, so these guys took care of this pond. It looks amazing. So when it gets dark, these lights will go on and they'll be shining bright again. Because when it gets that muck and gook on them, it looks like just dull. You can't really see the lights. But now that they're clean, it's gonna look perfect again. So the same thing as last pond, we gotta scrape off those lights. This water is a lot shallower, but this is actually the water that had the gator in it.
Wow.
There's a little drop right there I didn't tell you about. Does that have a bunch of crap on it too? Yeah. All right, so it's all cleaned out. So the lights are gonna be popping tonight. And let there be water. Perfect.
If I get 100 bucks,
Hey guys, how did you end up on the roof?
I'm Superman. I can fly. It's like this. We're all Spider-Man.
See what happens at this house when you have a whole bunch of kids over? People just end up on the roof. That's really shallow, bro.
Hey, guess what?
No, you just changed. You're not doing it. I got no more clothes. But look at the merch. Oh, see what happens? The plan worked. I get them all soaking wet and they're like, hey, we need some dry clothes. And I'm like, I got something for you. Merch, baby. That's how we get it out there. This thing is like sturdy. It's a great job. You guys are amazing, by the way.
I know we are.
Amazing. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these tarps up and we're gonna make them extra tight, so you have to use muscle. Yes.
I got some.
Right,
You have zero muscle. Yeah, you have zero muscle. You have no muscle.
both of you guys have spaghetti for arms talking about me.
Look at you.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh, never mind.
This is an extra large shirt and it's stretched. Look.
Dude, he has zero.
You have plenty of room.
No, stop. So we're gonna put these little things in here, and now we're gonna use that, and we're gonna tie the tarps to them so we can get extra tight and not have to wrap it around the wood, and just some fixer-uppers. When you guys own a farm, you gotta just take care of all your stuff. So right now, whip, look at that. It's perfect, perfect. Test it, push it.
It's in there.
Look at this tarp now. So you guys know when it rains, it would fall, it would move. With that pole straight like this, look how high it is. So they got shade, this whole area, get the ropes out of there. Anthony can live in here for a little bit.
This is two Florida boys, Mom, right? That beautiful singular knot, that one, and then all of this spider web is Papa Veezy.
What if I were to do
We'll
this?
see which one works.
My husband, the Boy Scout, taught me this.
My husband was a Boy Scout.
Look at that for 5 hours. That would.
Hang on. Yeah, there you go.
You broke the.
I don't care. You guys are making me do this way too much. That's too many knots. All right, pig pen. I think is good.
Oh.
I don't know if you guys watched the old videos from back in the day before we had really these pigs in here. We had Lady May and Mango in here. Lady May used to get out every night, and she would end up over there with a bunch of goats boyfriends. She has boyfriends, they're goats. They're this big goats too, not the little ones we got, like the big ones with the horns. Anyway, they're over there. She would always end up in their yard. We don't know how she got in. She always got out of here, and that's when me and Paul came one day and did all this wood. But you see, pigs like to dig, and they're starting, and they're gonna try to go in here and this, that, and the third. Now it's fixed. So how you gonna get up here, brother?
Watch. Ready?
Yeah, I'm watching. Whoa. We got this on the roof, so now the llamas can come right over here, and they have all this area that's their shade. And they got their house, we're gonna put their water here, the llamas have their own little area. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a fence right here, one that can close them off where my mom is. Right in that area, we're gonna put a fence. So now if we need to just separate them, they have all this to themselves. Finished the whole farm, doing all the little odd jobs we wanted to. Everybody has shade now. The ponds are cleaned from their bodies and their clothes. Anyway, everything looks amazing now. We have time for one more thing because it's getting dark. What the heck do we have time for? Oh.
Brain game, brain game, brain game, brain game.
That's right, guys. It's time for the brain game. We're gonna ask you guys 3 questions. Why do I have all this in my hands? 3 questions. Comment your answers down below, and if you're correct, you could get shouted out on a future video. Shout out to Larner Banana for getting all 3 questions right on a previous video.
Good job.
Good job.
You're smart.
Larner Banana.
Question 1. In this video, who left the boat?
Question 2. What kind of fish did they rescue?
Question 3. In this video, what reptile did they get?
All right, guys, it's getting dark. That's a day in the life of a farm. Had to fix it, clean it. So do me a favor. Make sure you guys like this video. And if you want to help out the channel, subscribe. Put your post notifications on so you can always get alerted when we post a new video. And you could also be part of the Veezy fam. Love you guys. Next time. Peace. My husband was a Boy Scout.